Welcome to SurvivalScope. Please like and subscribe. In an unpredictable world, survival skills aren't just for adventurers, they're essential for everyone. Today, we'll cover 5 critical techniques that can save your life when you least expect it. 1. Fire making without matches. Fire is crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. Knowing how to start a fire without matches is a fundamental skill. Always carry a reliable fire starter and practice the technique regularly. 2. Finding and purifying water. Water is essential for survival. Finding and purifying it is a top priority. Boil water for at least 1 minute if you don't have purification tools. 3. Building a shelter. A good shelter protects you from the elements and conserves body heat. Choose a dry, flat location away from hazards like falling branches or flooding. Or, check out this shelter kit. Simple to operate, comes with everything for survival backpacking. Includes 1 hammock rainfly, 4 nylon guy lines with tensioners and 1 stuffed sack. Rectangle shelter with 19 guy points and 5 strengthened grommet points, which gives you the most coverage. Easy to set up into ground sheet and hammock shelter to avoid wind and rain. 4. Navigation without GPS. If you are out in the wild, you can't rely on your cell phone if you get lost. Knowing how to navigate through the wilderness using a map and compass is crucial. Always have a physical map of the area if possible, and have a good compass in your survival kit. 5. First aid basics. Injuries can happen at any time. It is always best to be prepared for emergencies. Having a basic first aid kit is always a priority. Knowing basic first aid can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Take a basic first aid course and keep a well-stocked first aid kit accessible. With these 5 survival techniques, you'll be better prepared for whatever life throws at you. Remember, preparation and knowledge are your best tools. Hey, do us a favor. It will really help us out a lot. Like and subscribe to SurvivalScope for more videos. Stay safe, stay prepared, and stay resilient.